I'm Lisa Pericini, and I'm here to talk to you today about the amazing opportunities that you have in business and marketing here at Valley Vista. At Valley Vista, we offer 3 levels of business and marketing courses. At the 1-2 level, students get an introduction to what business and marketing is all about. At the 3, 4, and 5, 6 levels, students get to take that knowledge to the next level by applying it in our student store. They get to be in charge of the merchandising, of the selling, of the cash handling skills, and the promotion of all the products that we sell here at Valley Vista School Store. The next level is that they can go on and do an internship, which they can work with our community businesses and get experience in real life. Finally, our business marketing students get to be a member of the internationally known DECA organization. This is a student organization where students come together and compete with what they have learned in their business marketing classes. This gives students a leg up when they go on to college and also into career fields such as advertising, marketing, entrepreneurship for those who would like to own their own business. For those of you who are interested in our business and marketing program, please speak to your school counselor or check out our website. We hope to see you in one of our seats soon.